on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the new click stick mod from the company called the ControllerPeople. So this is a completely solderless mod kit that allows you to add the scuff-like mod on the back of your PS4 controller. So this frame right here acts as the battery holder for the controller itself. The battery sits in here. Then all you have to do is drill 2 holes on the back plate of this controller. I'm going to show you guys what I do for that. And then after that, all you would do is connect the attachments that they give you, which are the buttons, so that when you move down, these will click, obviously. And the overall design for this controller is going to be Deadpool, along with the grip back. And I'll also do some custom buttons as well. This one isn't going to have the LED mod, but yeah, let's get to it and take this controller apart, and I'll show you guys what I do. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the necessary buttons to the front shell of this controller. Here's the Deadpool design. And I'm going to be adding the reds on the top and bottom and black on the sides. Now I'm going to show you guys how to add this, the Remap board kit. All we got to do is disconnect these 2 hooks right here to the side that are holding the motherboard in. Once we do that, you can see right here, there is a ribbon cable. This is pretty much going to sit in between that and then touch right here on the inside. That's what provides the signal from the front of the controller to the circuit board itself. So all you're going to want to do is place the 2 circles on the 2 pins that are sticking out right here. And once you do that, bend it over and it will lay on top of this. Okay, now that that's in, a way you can line it up is by utilizing these 2 circles right here. Right here, there are pins that stick through this ribbon all the way through the circuit board, and that's how you can line it up. Now all we got to do is just fold it back down. Okay, so I made a bad mistake. So I actually, when I went on that website, I ordered the incorrect version number. I thought this was the 5th generation motherboard, but it's actually the newest 6th generation one. So this one would have worked perfectly fine, but I didn't want to put this one in here because this one I'm saving for a different controller. But so this one is for the previous generation controller, so nothing lined up right. So what I did was I pretty much just made everything harder for myself, which kind of sucks, but I pretty much cut off sections right here on this side and this side so that the ribbon cable can still connect right there. And I also drilled a little hole through the plastic right here so that I can make this stay in place. Now this thing ain't going anywhere, but yeah, as you can see, this is what it would look like. As you can see, these stick out the back. Now the next step to do is you want to find the correct area where these line up and then drill 2 small holes so that these will just stick through. And once you do that, you'll close it all together. You'll put the caps on the end of these, and then you'll tighten them. And then after that, you have a scuff-like mod controller. Now it has a good chance so you can see that this tray is just like the original tray that holds the battery pack. And here's the original tray. So one thing that I noticed is that you should flip the battery around so that the leads come out from the top instead of the bottom, because it was interfering with the button. And right here, as you can see, it goes right past them. Whole functionality of the controller is still working right. So now I'm gonna go test this and go make sure that it works to make sure that everything's lined up. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. As you can see, we got the Deadpool front shell, as well as the grip back shell. And here, this button right here is X, and this one is circle. So these ones are fixed buttons, you cannot reprogram them. However, I do have this mod kit right here. This one you'll be able to reprogram